We're just starting out. This is our first year running. It's been a lot of fun building them.
And now we're gonna watch them be torn apart.
It's a lot harder to steer, watch your surroundings.
Yeah.
But in Combine Derby, you don't really care about that. You just here to smash them up.
Yep.
That's about all there is you can do.
Mine's gonna be T-Rex, and I'm gonna be in an inflatable T-Rex costume. I would say it's similar to a car demo, but it's a lot bigger, heavier machines, and it's just something you don't get to see anywhere, so it's worth at least coming to see. Running into them and tearing them up is just a lot of fun.
I always try to do something different for my paint theme, and just decided this year I'll do a Donald Trump spoof on the Great American Wall. I like the show and shine part, getting the fans involved in it, because that's really the only reason we get to keep doing it, is because it packs the house every year. Just keep doing it for that, and then obviously smashing and bashing, just tearing stuff up.
Oh, I'm excited. I got butterflies. I don't know what's going on in my stomach right now, but it's exciting.
Pretty well the same. Mixed emotions.
Yep, exactly right.